Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch. In today's video, I'm super pumped up to be going over the Pictory affiliate program, which I think is the best two-tier AI affiliate program in the world right now. If you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can find the best affiliate and referral programs in the world. In today's video, we're going to be going over Pictory, which offers easy AI video creation for content marketers. I'm going to be going over the affiliate program, showing you how much it pays, showing you the product itself, as well as showing you how to join. And I will leave a link down below in the description for you to join the affiliate program. And the affiliate program pays 20 to 50% reoccurring commission, plus it's two-tier. And the two-tier is 10% commission. If you don't know what two-tier is, it means if you invite a sub-affiliate and that sub-affiliate gets a bunch of sales, you will get 10% commission of their sales. So this is absolutely amazing. The cookie length is very good at 9,999 days, which is the maximum. The minimum payout is $10, which is also amazing. They pay out via PayPal. However, if you're making big commissions with them, they can also pay you out via wire transfer. And it's not on an affiliate network. It's an independent affiliate program, and they're using the First Promoter affiliate software, which is great for affiliates and people running affiliate programs. And the company launched in 2020, so they definitely had a first mover advantage in the AI video creation space. And you can see right here, the standard affiliate partner, which you will start at the beginning, pays out 20%. And then as you get more and more sales, you can work your way up all the way to 50%. We'll go over that in a little. Let's go over some of the core features of the platform. So like I said, it's easy AI video creation for content marketers. It's super fast, it's super scalable, and it's super affordable, and it uses AI. They have very good reviews, and it's being used by tons of big companies all over the world, as well as small companies, YouTubers, social media marketers, social media agencies, etc. And you can edit your videos super easy using text, and you can also create shareable video highlight reels. You can automatically summarize long videos. You can take a script and easily turn it into a video in minutes, which is perfect for YouTubers, marketers, and course creators. You can also turn your blogs into videos, and they have over 3 million video clips to choose from, plus 15,000 music tracks and a bunch of different realistic AI voices you can use as a voiceover. You can also automatically caption your videos. And this is what their pricing looks like. They have a free trial, so you can try it before you buy it and make sure that it's legit and you like it. And this is just to kind of give you an idea of how much you can make as an affiliate. So these are the yearly plans, but the cost right here, $19, $39, $99, this is how much you pay per month. So as an affiliate, you're going to be making some decent money, and it's recurring commission. And you can do two-tier affiliate, which is absolutely amazing. And they also have an API for developers. So this is really cool. If you're a programmer and you want to connect into the Pictory platform, you can do so. And so this is their affiliate program page that goes over some of the core details, how you can earn up to 50%. And you can also get a $1,000 cash bonus if you refer a lot of customers. So the standard affiliate partner is what you will start off as an affiliate to Pictory, where you'll automatically get 20% of every subscription plus 10% commission on all the sub-affiliate sales. And then the VIP affiliate partner, if you refer 50 people or 50 companies, you will then get bumped up to 30% commissions instead of 20%. After you've referred 250 customers, you will get bumped up to 40%. And as a promotion bonus, you'll get a free lifetime Pictory premium account for life, which is absolutely really cool. And then as a mega affiliate partner, after you've referred 500 customers, you will get a 50% commission, and that is reoccurring, guys. That's really, really good. And on top of that, they will give you a promotion bonus of $1,000. So I think everything about this affiliate program just checks all the right boxes. Minimum payout is low. It's two-tier. As you grow and bring in more customers, your commissions grow. They have bonuses. They have a long cookie length. You don't have to sign up to any network. And this is what their sign up page looks like. When you sign up, it's not automatic. They have to approve you. However, it's very fast. I personally got approved in less than 24 hours. And it's a super easy application. You just put in your email, first name, website, password, and then your social media links if you have them. And then you just agree to the terms of service, and boom, you sign up, you go ahead and get approved, and then you'll get your link and you can start promoting the affiliate program. I think this program has a ton of potential, guys, and I highly recommend signing up. The AI affiliate niche has a ton of opportunity, and this is a 2-tier. So like I said, I think this is the best 2-tier AI affiliate program in the world, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out effortless if you want to find more amazing affiliate programs. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.